Hello everyone. Welcome to the live online webinar for SAP QM with Multisoft Virtual Academy. This live online webinar is an initiative by Multisoft Virtual Academy to help you know how the live online training will actually take place with us. We provide instructor-led live online training with which you can have the liberty to learn at your place, your pace, and your time. In this free live webinar, there will be live interaction and live chat session wherein you will be able to connect with the domain experts and get to know about the latest industry standards. This live online webinar is for SAP QM, certification preparation and integration knowledge. SAP Quality Management live online webinar organized by Multisoft Virtual Academy is an initiative to give an insight about quality inspection, quality control, audit and equipment management, inspection methods, engineering workbench, and many more aspects to the candidate. This session aims at imparting the knowledge about basic SAP GUI navigation, quality planning and inspection, and quality management in logistics. Detailed agenda and complete presenter profile will also be shared with you now. This live online webinar will be taken by Mr. Bharat Dhanaraju. Mr. Bharat Dhanaraju is a certified SAP consultant having an end-to-end implementation and support project in his experience pocket. He is also a multiple module consultant having an attractive mode of interaction with users, students, during offline and online training sessions. His unique teaching concepts like just drop an error to get solution, project-based requirement solution, certification-based preparation, customizing SAP as required would be an asset for the candidate to be a proficient and an excellent SAP consultant. Briefing you about the topic and agenda which will be covering this SAP Quality Management live online webinar with Multisoft Virtual Academy. This will include what is quality management in SAP, what we can do with SAP Quality Management, integrated with who can take SAP Quality Management course, who can hire you, what is there in your pocket just after the course. Some more pointers would include to share a perfect knowledge blend on business requirements, certification details, consultants' demand, and attain proficiency in becoming SAP QM consultant. Making optimum usage of SAP Quality Management platform and get accredited across SAP market. Understanding about variegated quality processes involved every single project of SAP. Having master data, transactional data, configurational data required in or as per standard business needs. I really hope that you will enjoy this SAP Quality Management live online webinar with Multisoft Virtual Academy. Again, I will thank you all for attending this live online webinar with us. I wish to give you a happy and a healthy learning experience. Thank you so much for your patience. Now, I would like to hand over the host panel to my consultant, Mr. Bharat, who shall be taking forward this live online webinar of SAP QM for all of you. Thank you so much again for your patience and have a very happy hour of learning.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I myself Bharat Dhanaraju. As you all just got my introduction by Shivali. Yes, it's time to start the webinar. Start with briefing about SAP. SAP, the system application product in data processing. And it is very important to know why we have to choose SAP. SAP is one of the best ERP in the world, ranked in top 5 among all the ERP systems. Right. Welcome all once again. I myself Bharat Dhanaraju. Just few minutes ago, Shivali has introduced about me. Now I straight away carry out with the presentation. Before I would like to start in depth with quality management, I would like to brief about SAP. SAP, the system application products in data processing. SAP is one of the best ERP in the world. Is the reason we must choose SAP. And once you become an SAP consultant, the value on your head will increase. So I'm promoting SAP here. Please soon join to the SAP course and become an SAP consultant. Right. Now, SAP is ranked top 5 among all the ERP systems like Epicor, Info, Microsoft, Oracle, and so on. SAP is having more than 35,000 plus proud customers around 120 countries. And also SAP is client number 1 CRM market shareholder. At present, SAP is number 1 ERP market shareholder. So the demand for an SAP consultant is more than any other ERP system. Why the customers are choosing SAP? SAP has achieved its success due to its extremely deep accounting and distribution software suite, along with tightly integrated financial, manufacturing, human resource, payroll, CRM, HCM, and so on. Now, we'll see what is SAP quality management. SAP quality management is a complete package to assure the quality of the products which are procured, produced, being sold, and maintained as specified in ISO 9000. One can implement the most important elements of a quality management system as specified in ISO 9000. It is very important the ISO 9000. There are complemented by other integrated applications such as material master, material management, sales and distribution, production planning, plant maintenance, controlling, finance, HR, and so on. What can we do with SAP Quality Management? Once you take this course, you will know in depth about the listed topics. Right, we start from the basic data. The basic data, which includes material master, catalogs, inspection characteristics, inspection methods, and sampling procedure. What is material master in SAP QM? Material master requires the specified data for a material if you want to use the QM application component during the procurement, production, plant maintenance, and even other integrated models. And I can say the material master is one of the key part in SAP master data. And the next one is the catalog. The catalog contains unique non-numerical data in the system that is defined at client and plant level. And here the client, there is a organizational structure in SAP which is very standard in its structure actually, and every organization or every manufacturer or every business holder will be having their own data entry. This characteristic is intended for frequent use of evaluation purposes across all inspection plans. And inspection characteristics totally depends on the client requirement. We can map any characteristic in SAP system. That is one of the uniqueness of SAP quality management comparably to any other ERP system. And inspection method. As you all know, being an quality inspector or quality checker or quality certified consultant, we should know what is inspection method. So, inspection method is described as how to carry out an inspection for an inspection characteristic. It is to simplify and standardize the inspection planning activities and to standardize the nomenclature. This allows you to plan inspection systematically, uniformly, and economically. Now, the next one is the sampling procedure. A sampling procedure defines the rules that specify how the system calculates the sample size, and it contains information about valuation of an inspection characteristic during the result recording. My dear friends, the basic data, whatever I have explained just now, is very important to become a best consultant, because in SAP, without the master data knowledge or without the master data knowledge in depth, we can't execute the things easily. So please make sure that whenever you come online for our training with Multisoft Virtual Academy, you will get in-depth details and in-depth knowledge in every topic listed in your content list. I'm assuring that the basic data and whatever the data or the listed contents in your content list will be clearly explained in depth and to make you to understand up to the mark and will make you to the best consultant after the course. Right. Now I'll just jumping to the next topic called inspection plan. The inspection plan, it is kind of a task list and it is we can call it as the way how you want to do your inspection, right? So the inspection plan is a task list and processing tool. It is to define which characteristics are to be inspected in each inspection operation and which such equipment is to be used in the inspection. So it is totally a systematic planned tool to make your inspection streamlined. So here inspection plan is very important master data for us. And another one, the QM in procurement. As you all know, SAP is very good integrated software. The QM in procurement is one of the important in material management, like MM module is integrated with QM very fine. Whenever you receive any good from any vendor, you supposed to do the quality check. So for that, quality model, quality management is integrated with material management. Not only the checking or not only the carrying out of quality to the received product, but also if the quality of the goods are not up to the mark, you can write complaints on the vendor. So it is complete, streamlined, systematic process that you can carry out with quality management as well as material management integration. Now, this component contains the functions that allow you to integrate the task of QM with the procurement processes in your company. So all procurement related processes, if you want to control with QM, it is very easy to do that. Next. QM in sales and distribution. Whatever you produce and you are ready to sell it out to your customer, before that you should have to make sure the quality is 100% fine with your product. So the QM in sales and distribution makes sure that the quality of the product is totally fine and it is ready to sell. The QM component supports the sales and distribution by processing quality inspections and creating certificates for your deliveries. The certificates are very, very important whenever you are going to deliver the product. A quality inspection for a delivery allows you to check the quality of a material or the product before it leaves the manufacturer or the vendor premises. So the QM and the SD, sales and distribution, are very important integrations in SAP. One more important integration is production. It's not there in the list, but it is one of the important integrations. QM in production. During production, it may be necessary for you to carry out several individual inspections, maybe at your operations level or maybe at your order level also. at different intervals or as a result of certain events. With the component quality management in production, one can process inspection during operations, as I explained, while manufacturing in discrete parts or discrete industry. And also, you can carry out complete quality and process related integration with process industry configurations. So QM with production is very important topic too. In any client, in any project you go with SAP implementation, there you will find the SAP and SAP production and SAP quality management integration. Now, what else we can see with SAP QM? Inspection lot processing. Inspection lot processing is a systematic step-by-step process to carry out the quality check. Start from lot creation, result recording, effect recording, notifications recording, and execution. My dear friends, the inspection lot processing is very easiest way of and it is a very easiest topic in SAP I can see. Wherever I have handled my project, the users, the SAP quality users used to fear about the topic in SAP. But once they have seen the process, how to carry out the things in SAP, they are very happy and they are very happy to switch over the current ERP to SAP quality management. I have not seen a single user or single consultant with quality background is disappointed with the content in SAP. I'm just sharing this with my personal experience with various projects which I have handled during my experience. Now, the next important topic in SAP QM is the result recording. Result recording, you can record and process the results for inspection characteristics that you have mentioned in your inspection plan. The inspection log is the reference object in the result record. My dear friends, during the class with Multisoft Virtual Academy, you will be getting the knowledge or you will be learning with live SAP screens. Not only with the theory as we are doing right now. So it is very beneficial to you because once you get more and more knowledge with live experience, you will be the best out of the lot. Fine. Now the next one is defect recording. You can record the results for the inspection in the form of characteristics, values or the defects. A defect is any property or attribute of a material, product or process that does not meet the inspection characteristic specifications. Here in defects recording, you can predefine the codes, defect codes, and you can record. Or also you can able to record on time, like on live also. And this is also one of the important topic in SAP because it gives the results for your vendor evaluation and the product evaluation and so on. And the next one is the sample management. If you are processing an inspection with physical samples, normally few of the food industries, or I can say most of the food industries, or the beverage industries or any process industries will be having this physical testing. At each operation wise or at each order wise, they will be having the physical sample testing. Physical sample testing is one of the unique concept in SAP because here not only by writing the physical sample but also you can able to record the complete characteristics for your physical samples at batch level and also at individual sample level. So sample testing or the sample management is also one of the most important topics in SAP. If you are planning to go and join any process industry as a SAP consultant, a SAP QM consultant, it is one of the important topics you must know. And the next one, the dynamic modification rule or the dynamic modification of the inspection scope. The basic data records contains the definition of the inspection stage, the dynamic modification time and the conditions for the inspection stage change the inspection whenever the inspection changes occur. On the basis of the inspection results that are recorded for the inspection logs and the inspection characteristics. So even here, dynamic modification rule is very important to tune your inspection or the quality knowledge. I think I have missed out one more point in between. Sorry for that. The important topic is the quality information system. Yes, my dear friends, the quality information system, you can use it like anything because none of the other ERP systems will provide such detailed information about whatever you have carried out, whatever you are going to carry out, and about your history of your quality. Here, the quality information system, you can use the quality management information system at a variety of levels in the decision-making process as an instrument for monitoring, controlling, and planning your business operations. The next one is the quality certificate. It is also an important one in any manufacturing industry. Quality certificate, it certifies the quality of goods, chemical or the physical properties of the goods that can be recorded at each inspection results or at each characteristics for your batch. So it is also one of the unique in SAP quality management. The next one is quality notification. It is a business object non-conformance with a quality requirement and contains a request to take appropriate actions whenever you get the faulty products from your vendor. You can immediately raise the notification saying the complaint on the vendor. If there are any return goods from whatever you have sold to your customer because of few errors or few mistakes or few problems with your product, you can immediately write an customer complaint. And also, if there is some internal problems whenever you are producing or whenever you are undergoing some production process, if you have some problem with your product, you can raise the internal problem notification. And also the notification is one of the important key to carry out calibration stability test. Stability study is one of the most important topics in SAP QM. So for that, the quality notification is very important to know in that. And the next one is test equipment management. Test equipment management is used in many companies for performing quality inspections. In order to ensure that the test equipment used always fulfills the defined performance criteria, most of the companies regulatory test and calibrate their test and measuring equipment. Test and measuring equipment are one of the important in any process or food industry. And also in many manufacturing industries, they will be having their own machinery. Normally, all the machines will be undergone some sort of services frequently or periodically. Even at that time, we should raise some notification on those equipments to have the complete quality checks. So for all these processes, for all these business processes, we can use SAP QM in a full-fledged way. So whatever the listed topics are there on screen is not only that, I have just mentioned only the important topics, but in depth there are many. You can say SAP is one of the ocean of knowledge. If you keep on learning, SAP will keep on giving the new topics or new things as time pass on. So my dear friends, the SAP quality management is having high demand at this level because as all the manufacturers or all the companies are switching over to SAP as their ERP system, the demand for all the SAP consultants are rising up. So please make your decision right now to get joined to the course and get certified and just go on and boost up your career. Fine. Let us go to the next part of our session. The very important part of an session is the integration. Because SAP is world famous ERP system. Why? Because of its own and only thing is the integration strength. SAP is having highly integration strength with its other models. Like I have mentioned here. Quality management is integrated with material management, that is MM, warehouse management, that is WM, plant maintenance, PM, production planning, CP, HR, human resource, CS, process systems, SD, sales and distribution. After all the process you have carried out here with these modules, at the end, last but not the least, the CO and FI comes. Because for whatever the process you have carried out, it is the cost relevant thing. So, capturing of the cost for that process or for that object or for that operation, you must have zero cost. Whatever you have made the decision during your usage decision or during your notification. If it is a financially documented thing, you must have FI there. So SAP QM is highly integrated with various modules as listed here. Fine, we'll see in brief what is QM. QM with MM, as I explained just before the slide, it is very important during the procurement process. Whenever you procure with certified vendor or uncertified vendor, or if it is a fresh vendor, you must have some quality check. So, whenever you receive the purchase order into your inventory, immediately the system will raise one quality lot for that receipt. So, if you have noticed any complaints, immediately you can shoot out some complaints on vendors and you can send it back to your vendor. So all those processes are included in QM and MM integration. QM and WM. WM is warehouse management. Most of the products or most of the goods you will be stored. Whatever the stored goods are there, you must do the quality check for that periodically. So at this time, the quality and WM will be having some integration here. Not only the checking the goods of the stored part, but also during the transition of your goods from the production to warehouse. So even at that time, you can do some check of your products produced and you can store at warehouse management. Quality and PM. As I explained just before, the test equipment or any plant maintained products or the assets which your company has will be undergoing some inspection checks. At this level, plant maintenance and quality management is highly critical because one can make your process automated, complete automated things you can make with PM and QM integration. For example, let's take you have one small test equipment with you. Let's take vernier caliper or any milligauge as your test equipment. Let's take you have to do some quality check or some calibration check periodically every 6 months. You have procured that calibration equipment, milligauge, and you have stored and you are using every day to do the calibration test for your other equipment, other produced goods. At that time, what will happen? Your equipment, your milligauge will lose its calibration thing. So at that time, you must do the calibration. You must carry out the calibration for your milligauge. You can't sit and do every day that which milligauge is not calibrated, which milligauge is calibrated, and you can't track manually. So here SAP gives the best solution if you just write the quality, you just write the calibration equipment, and if you do the test, like to say, if you just assign the periodic maintenance packages, everything to your test equipment, the system will assist you to do the quality checks periodically, the calibration checks periodically. So you can make completely automated your plant maintenance checks or plant maintenance quality management. And quality management with production plan. Yes, This is one of the important things every project will have. Wherever you go with production or manufacturing related projects, related companies, if you go, this is very big implemented or very big integrated module or the topic in your project. Whenever you produce something, you must do the quality check. Sorry. Whenever you carry out some processes, you must carry out some quality check. So for all these steps, you can go with QMCP integration with highly integrated and highly systematic process. Quality with HR. You may think, what HR can do with quality? Yes, my friend, HR is one of the important for the labor management. So here, sometimes we'll be having separate labors or separate employees for our quality processes or quality check, as a quality inspector or quality manager or quality end user. So in HR module, we will take the details of the employees, such as to make the schedule for our quality loss or for our quality orders, for our calibration orders. So that's it. From HR, we'll be getting the complete information about the employees or the labor. And the project system. Of course, the project system itself is an R&D module. You will be completely doing some research and development analysis in the project system. So in the project system, at each and every finished stages, you have to carry out some quality checks to meet the requirements that you have planned before you have started the project. So for all those records, for all those business processes, we require PS and QM integration. And QM and SD, sales and distribution, is also one of the key parts in the SAP system. Sales and distribution is where you are certifying your own product before you do the delivery. So for that process, you have to know the integration between SD and QM. For all these processes, you are spending some man hours, you are spending some machine hours, and you are spending some materials, or you are spending some time. So in order to calculate all those things, you are in need of CO, the controlling. In order to make the document whatever you have spent on your quality related processes or the operations or scenarios, one must have the integration with FI. So like this, each and every module is integrated with QM are very important. My dear friends, whenever you are in as a consultant or whenever you go with your QM knowledge to any project for the implementation, you must have a strong integration knowledge. So here with Multisoft, we make you to become a strength for your project. Fine. I'll just carry out the next part of our presentation, that is, who can take SAP QM course. My dear friends, among the group here, you may be a quality assurance manager or the quality assurance employees, quality control inspectors, or the already SAP functional consultants who are very interested in integration knowledge. you can take up the SAP Quality Management course. The best functional modules consultants whom we can encourage to take this course is PP, TM, MN, as well as few of the technical people also can take the QM course. As I noticed in many of the projects which I have handled, there the technical people like ABAP people are very interested in functional modules. So who can take the SAP QM course? As I shown here, these are the list. But my sincere advice you all is, please do not wait to take the QM course or wait to take any SAP functional module course, because soon you complete it, you will be in high demand in the society, in the corporate world. Come on, everyone, please make sure that you are the best out of the lot. So here we are, the Multisoft will make you to be the best. Next, of course, everyone will be having who can hire you just after the course. I just listed only few here, but there are a lot and lot companies, and many startup companies are growing like anything with SAP implementation. As I noticed here, KPMG, Wipro, Deloitte, SAP itself will hire if you are a certified consultant, Cognizant, Accenture, Tata, Consulting Services, KPIT, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, IBM, Virtusa, PNC, Visa, every people who are doing the SAP implementation projects or who are supporting the SAP projects, there your requirement is very, very, very much needed. So why you all are waiting, for what you all are waiting? Just take up your course. Fine, that's all from my end. If there is any question and answers, please come up. I will answer up to the mark. I can say, because if you ask in depth in SAP, I can take you the guide inside the SAP GUI. I have to show the screen, then have it. So that right now we don't have, that is not the right place now. During the course between when you take with Multisoft, you can come to us and you can get any detail which you want. Fine.